Have you tried an AI therapist? Let's talk to Dr. ChatGPT, okay, and find if she has time or space in her schedule. Yes. Hey everyone, my name is Mbali Soke, and I am a mental health lover. I want to say advocate, but like lover of all things mental health. Okay, and this is Power Circle Conversations. Welcome. I'm bringing that thing back because I really was passionate about it. So I'm bringing Power Circle Conversations back. In today's Power Circle conversation, in our Power Circle today, we have ChatGPT and Google Gemini, and give me a list of all the AI chatbots. All right. Today's topic is something a little bit different, using AI as a therapist. Now, before we get worried, I do want to say upfront that AI cannot replace an actual therapist, especially for complex issues. But for those times when you need a little pick me up or you can't afford traditional therapy, AI tools can actually be really helpful. Now, what is AI therapy? Imagine having a friendly voice coach you can talk to about your stress, anxieties, or just vent to. Maybe not a voice, even. Friendly texter, right? Because I've only tried the texters. I haven't tried the voice. I don't know. You can try it, but I haven't tried that. So a friendly texter, and really someone to vent to because you're feeling really stressed in the moment. You're feeling extremely anxious in the moment. That's the basic idea. AI tools come in different forms, like chatbots and apps that use conversation and techniques to help you manage your emotions and improve your well-being. And I mean, we're familiar with it by now. I just don't know how many people have tried using it to get through the day. And that's what I'm trying to put you onto today. I've tried and tested October Health app, the October Health app, my October Health app, and it turned out to be amazing. I've spoken about October Health before. It used to be Panda. In my previous videos, I spoke about Panda, Join Panda, and they've changed to October Health, and the app is so much better. Like, I did not think it could improve from what it was before, but right now, honestly, so much better. Also, sometimes I just need to pick me up in the moment. Okay, I tend to lose my mind and only find that, like, I mean, basically all I need to get through the moment is maybe to eat, vent, journal, pray, and feel heard. And there isn't a therapist on the October Health app, an AI therapist on the app that helps me as a reminder to do that. Maybe not eat, but like the journaling and even like some guidance around my journaling. Try it. Works for me. You think about it. Before we judge AI therapists, let's just talk a bit more about them. Okay? What are the benefits of AI therapy? If there are any benefits. I found some benefits, so we're going to talk about the benefits of AI therapy. Accessibility. To be honest, therapy can be expensive. Booking an appointment, you might not feel like doing it in that time, in that moment, but also you can book an appointment and find that you're only going to get an appointment for much later, and it might not feel so great to hear that. Your therapist is human, man. Let's give them some grace. But it might not feel great in the moment to hear that. So AI tools, all the ones that I know are free and are available at any time of the day, just to give you that immediate support whenever you need it. Secondly, quick, I was about to say easy, not easy, but quick techniques that they can offer. If you're feeling overwhelmed, AI therapy can offer like quick exercises or relaxation techniques or mindfulness, yoga-ish type of, I don't know, mindfulness like guidance to help you calm down and to refocus, just to step you a bit out of the overwhelming emotion into something else, different place. The third thing is self-awareness. So by talking to an AI tool, you can explore your thoughts and your feelings in a safe space. And this can lead to greater self-awareness and a better understanding of what triggers your moods. It's basically like the templates that I use in my journal. So the journal that I use on my phone is an app, and I don't like typing or texting, but it's currently working for me at the moment. And it comes with templates. So I'll go into the app and it would have like 5 different emojis, and I just select the emotion that I feel in that moment or that I felt for most of that day. And then there's a title, put on the title, and then I put down my story. But you also can get templates, and maybe the template would be like named my day, and in the template put in an emotion there, click an emotion, click put in one of the two, an emotion, and it would have titled it already my day, and it would give you like 4 or 5 questions to help you think about your day, what worked and what didn't work. And that does bring some self-awareness. Sometimes I'm answering a question about that it asked, and in the middle of answering the question I realize something, or I learn something, or I remember something. So self-awareness. It's not a magic bullet. It is not a quick fix. It doesn't solve everything. AI right now is seeming to be the solver of all things. AI therapy is not. She is an assistant, or he is an assistant. I pick she, or it is an assistant. She. Simple issues. Firstly, it's best suited for stress, mild stress, I would say, anxiety, or everyday challenges, just to get through that day. If you're dealing with more serious issues with regards to your mental health, then seek actual professional human help, where you can delve into your issues a lot deeper. Privacy, I was about to say privacy, but we did this is simple issues. So privacy I haven't dug into this, but like, make sure that the AI tool that you are choosing has a good privacy policy, okay, that protects your data. I don't know who would they sell you, but these days people are not, it's not like selling information, it's hackers that are just like throwing out information onto the internet. I don't know, I haven't checked with like even just ChatGPT or Google Gemini, but I trust October Health. Plus the fact that I'm not using my real name on the app, so that feels safe enough for me. I don't know, that's safe enough for my sanity in the moment. Third thing is human connection. While AI can be helpful, it can't replace human connection. You're actually going to need to get that from an actual therapist. But in my opinion, just use AI to get through the day, to even just get through the moment. Anything else, you might need an actual therapist. I will always think that going for AI should not be replacing actual therapy. It shouldn't be. It's just for the moment, for the day, for the get you through that, and possibly medication. So don't be relying on ChatGPT. But otherwise, those are my facts around it. Well, not facts. Hey, those are the things that I've picked up that I wanted to discuss about AI therapy. And all in all, I think AI therapy as a first step is a very helpful companion to your mental health journey. If you're curious, do some research, find a reputable tool to try, find other tools that you've heard other people speaking about that could have worked for them, and try them out. I put my money on October Health, my free money, because the app is free. But also remember that taking care of your mental health is really crucial. It is top tier important. So exploring all of your options is just as important, to find one that is best suitable for you. And of course, if you're feeling overwhelmed, do reach out to a therapist, call SEDEC and speak to an actual human or an actual a mental health professional. Okay, there's many other options, so many options that are available in human form, in government clinics, the therapists over there, the psychologists over there, those are free. There's many other resources as well that you can get. Don't be relying on AI. And finally, I would actually love to hear your thoughts on AI therapy. Okay, please share in the comments what you think of AI therapy. Have you tried it? Have you heard of anyone else that has tried it? Somebody that has like a similar story to mine I just told you. What are your concerns about it? Let's keep the conversation going. It's going to help us learn more around it. I'm going to continue to be doing research about it. If there's anything that you'd like me to think of, to consider, to research about, and come back and speak of, please do let me know. But otherwise, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do like and do subscribe. Let's get us to 1,000 subscribers. From 400, and we're on 400, and I think it's like 410 now. but let's get us to 1,000 subscribers. I do think we can make it. And do follow me on my other social media platforms. I am active on Instagram as Mrs. Mental Health SA, and really active on TikTok as Mrs. Mental Health SA as well. And yeah, you shall get more mental health content over here. Otherwise, do take care of yourself, especially take care of your mental health.
I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.